0452 22 October November 2013 paper. Sarah Rahman maintains a petty cash book using the interest system. Her interest amount is 200. On 1st October 2013, she had $56 in her petty cash book box. Sarah Rahman's transactions for the month of October 2013 were as follows. So first entry, set the date as at 1st of October 2013, 1/10/2013, detail column, balance brought down. She had a remaining balance of 56 after spending for the last month. Then the reimbursement from the petty cashier from the main cashier would be 200. That 200 is the interest as at 1/10/13. This would be the balance brought down. And the difference between these two figures would be 200 take away 56, which gives a balance of 144 as at the same date as bank. Okay, now let's start the question. The first information, October 1st, restored petty cash to interest amount. So this value we have already found, which is 144. This is the balance which we found from here. Right. Fourth, bought stamps and stationery 19. So the date would be 4/10/13. So stamps and stationery, include that under the detail column, and the value is 19. So in the total paid column. And the next information is on 10, received cash from employee for personal postage cost 3. So this is on 10/10/10/13. Refund for postage. You received, therefore you enter it on the debit side. We have completed these 3 transactions. Now let's move on to the 14. Paid Abdul Shakil, a credit supplier, 34. So you paid a credit supplier. You can include this information in your detail column, and this happened on 14. So 14/10/13. And the amount was 34. Eighteenth, bought tea and coffee. Let's move to 18/10/13. Tea and coffee. The value of tea and coffee is 9. Paid a credit supplier, Arshad, worth of $16. And the date was on 23rd/10/13. And then paid cleaners 80 on 28/10/13. Paid cleaners paid cleaners 80. Now let's include this under the correct category. Stamp and stationery comes under postage and stationery, 19. And Abdul Shakila credit supply, 34, should go under the ledger. And tea and coffee, 9, will go to catering. And paid a credit supplier again, 16, under ledger accounts. Paid cleaners, 80, will come under cleaning. Once it is under the correct category, let's balance this off. Right. Now the total over here for postage would be 19. For catering supplies, 9. For cleaning, 80. And for ledger accounts, 50. Now, we can double check the total of these values and these values. Let's bring the total, which gives 158. Now bring down the greater number side. On debit side you get 203. So let's write that in the balancing. And then we find the difference between 203 and 158. So let's see the difference. 203, take away 158, which gives an answer of 45, which is the BAL carried down value. 31st 10 2013, and this value will be taken to the next month date, which is 1/11/13, as BAL brought down. The same value, which is 45. The interest every month would be 200 as per the question over here. It is 200. So it's a must for the petty cashier to maintain 200 in his petty cash at the beginning of every month. BAL brought down. And now let's find the value which will be given by the main cashier as at 1/11/13. So here to give it in as bank. Now the whole petty cash is complete.